Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you are new here, my name is Nishitha. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button. I upload videos every Sunday and Thursday at 9 a.m. PST. In today's video, we are going to test out the new Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue Foundation. It's a new stick foundation that they came out with, and I wanted to try this one out because it claims to be a really good hydrating medium buildable coverage foundation with SPF 25, which can be really great for spring and summertime, especially if you're traveling. So in today's video, I'm gonna wear this for the rest of my day and see how it performs. I have tried their liquid foundation in the past and it didn't work out very well for me. I don't know, I just like the other liquid foundations that I have in my collection way better than that one. But we'll see how this one performs. I got the shade Spice 08. On one side of my face, I'm going to use a brush, and on the other side, I'm going to use a beauty blender. But I feel like stick foundations work best when you use a brush. So let's see, I'm gonna draw more stripes here. This foundation is a clean, water-based liquid foundation in a stick that combines hydrating skincare benefits and SPF with naturally radiant, buildable medium coverage. The finish of this foundation is supposed to be natural, and it's for normal, dry, and combination skin types. And you do get SPF 25 in this. This foundation comes with 0.35 ounce product, and it retails for $32 US. Brush versus a beauty blender, I feel like you will be able to blend out the foundation just fine. But if you're in a rush, if you want to blend out the foundation really quickly, I would say go with the brush. Because even when I was blending out, I felt like with the brush, it took half a time when compared to the side where I used a beauty blender. So it totally depends on your personal preference. But finish wise and hydration wise, I feel like both the sides feel the same. This foundation, when you apply it onto your skin, it feels very hydrating. I mean, in the sense, it feels actually a little bit cold on your skin as well. I like that. I mean, it's just feels really nice to apply it on your skin. This is not overly dewy foundation by any means, but at the same time, it's not matte. Like they said, it does have that natural finish. As you can see, it just added this nice radiance to my face. I really like that. Coverage wise, with one layer, you will get, coverage that is in between light to medium. You can build it up a little bit more, maybe get a coverage which is above medium level, but it's not going to be a super full coverage foundation by any means. And I did layer the foundation in this area to cover the acne blemishes that I have, and I did layer pretty well. And I feel like it's still not covering all of that, but the acne spots that I have, they're really stubborn. So I will need to go over with the concealer. And one more thing I'm noticing is that wherever I layered the foundation, I feel like it is looking a little bit cakey, very slightly though, but it's nothing too bad. But overall, I like how my skin looks with this foundation on. The shade on camera, I know I look a little bit washed out, but the thing is, my skin is a little bit lighter when compared to my forehead and chin. So you will see that, on my forehead and chin, it is looking a little bit ashy, whereas the foundation matches, perfectly fine in my cheek area. I'm gonna insert some natural lighting clips so you can see how the foundation looks in real life. So far, I really like this foundation. It looks very natural on the skin. It is hydrating and it's just very lightweight. Now I'm gonna go off camera, finish the rest of my makeup. When I get back, I'm gonna tell you guys how everything blended out on top of this foundation. Hey guys, so it's been already 3 hours since I've had this foundation on. I applied this around 9:40, now it's already 12:40. So I finished the rest of my makeup off camera and everything blended beautifully on top of this foundation. When you first apply it, the foundation takes 20 minutes or so to completely sink into your skin. So for the first 20 minutes, this foundation will transfer. But once it sinks into your skin, it doesn't transfer anymore. But even now, when I touch it, the foundation feels a little bit tacky to the touch, but there is no transfer, as you can see. This foundation, finish-wise, it's not overly matte. It's, like they said, it's natural, but it will still add this beautiful radiance to your skin. And I don't mind that, especially for the spring and summer months. It's really weird because usually stick foundations tend to be more on the matte side, whereas this one, it's not overly matte. It just has this nice radiance to it, and I really love that. So far, I'm really loving my makeup. It's just very subtle, fresh, and youthful, especially for spring and summer. I love makeup looks like this. So I will wear this foundation for 5 more hours. I'm going to go to a Starbucks, get a drink and do some editing. I love doing that over the weekends. Now I'm going to go. I think I've talked too much today. But anyways, I'll see you all in the evening and I will do some more close-ups then. Hey guys, I'm back and I've had this foundation on for a little over 8 hours now. It's almost 6 p.m. right now. So I'm here to share my final thoughts about this foundation. Let me start off with the pros. It's very hydrating on the skin. It blends beautifully. It feels very lightweight. It looks very natural as well. It comes with, SPF 25, and Bare Minerals is known to use good ingredients in their makeup. Even when I go to my dermatologist, she always recommends me to use Bare Minerals makeup whenever, I'm having acne issues. But you guys know I cannot limit myself to Bare Minerals. I have a YouTube channel for God's sake. But anyway, so Bare Minerals is known for that. And the foundation is very long wearing. Like as you can see, it is still on there, stuck to my skin. And I did not powder my skin. I just powdered underneath my eyes to set the concealer in place. But other than that, I think I just applied powder slightly in my T-zone. But other than that, I haven't powdered anywhere else and it is still on there. If you have dry to normal skin and if you're looking for a good hydrating stick foundation, especially for spring and summer, where you want your makeup to look or feel very lightweight, I would say definitely give this one a try. When you first blend it out, you will see that the foundation, is going on matte. But I don't know, for some reason, it looks a little bit luminous on your skin. It's very subtle and it's beautiful because that way the foundation looks very natural on your skin. So I don't know if this is suitable foundation for oily skin types. Even in the claims, they don't claim this is a foundation for oily skin types. And usually when I wear a foundation for more than 8 hours, I do see a little bit of oil speaking through, especially in my T-zone area. Whereas with this foundation, I don't see that happening. So I think it might work for you if you use, good mattifying primers underneath. But again, I don't have oily skin myself, so I cannot be completely sure about that. Coming to the cons, I do see a little bit of cakiness happening right here on my chin and in this area where I layered the foundation. When I first layered it, it looked a bit cakey. Once I let the foundation sit on my skin for, 1 hour or so, it looked really good. But again, it started to, cake up around my nose. It's like gathering around my nose. It's looking a little bit cakey here especially. Yeah, those are the cons. And the second con is that I don't think the shade range is very good. Let me check how many shades they have. So I was right, they have only 20 shades, which is not good anymore. Every foundation is coming out with a minimum of 30 different shades these days, like almost all. So 20 shades in a foundation is not good anymore. They do range from the lightest to the darkest, but I think they should have a lot of in-between shades as well. And what else? Oh yeah, I wanted to talk about the shade that I purchased. Right now, it's a really good match for me. At first, it was looking a little bit ashy on my forehead and chin. But, once I did the rest of my makeup, I didn't see that anymore. It was looking really nice. But, it's March. Soon it's going to be, April and May. I am going to tan a lot. At that time, this shade will look very ashy on me. So keep that in mind. If you're planning on buying this foundation for summer, I would say go a shade deeper, especially if you're closer to my skin tone. All in all, I think this is a great foundation, especially if you have dry to normal skin. I'm going to use this for the summer because it's just very lightweight and it's just effortless makeup. You can just draw some stripes, blend it out, and it will be done, especially when you're traveling. This will be such a good product. If you have oily skin, if you're not sure whether this will work or not, try Lancome stick foundation. That is one of my all-time favorite stick foundations and I swear by it. So if you're looking for a good stick foundation, I'd say give that one a try. So that completes this review. I really hope it was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already and also give this video a thumbs up if you liked my review and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.